wants to say, pit bulls are so scary, pit bulls are so this. This is 85 pounds of lap dog.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
And Tootie. Rudy, what happened? What happened, Tootie?
What are you doing? Eat.
Good boy.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's married.
Oh.
I'm already going through a lot of shit right now. Leave me the fuck alone. Right.
Leo, do you want to go? Okay.
Mambo, time to go home. Come on. Why did you do that?
Oh, buddy. I know. I won't be long. You're gonna be fine. Mom's right here inside. I'll be back before dinner, promise. Love you too. Let go, big guy.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
Hey, big guy, I'm just going to work. I'll be back tonight. Hello.
Clever girl. Let's go, go.
Pick him up by his back legs and watch. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love you.
To both your dog beds? Or what's left of them? I'm not shaking your hand. No. Go. Yeah, go lay on your bed. Yep, lay down. Yeah, there's not a bed to lay down on. Huh.
That ain't it. Right, Lexi, that's not it. She hates when you dance.
Why are you standing like that?
Winnie? What's wrong? You don't like her outfit?
Oh, you forgot your toy.
Oh. Wow.
You want this one?
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Chloe.
I don't give a shit what the world thinks.
Good morning. Hello.
Sadie, high five. No.
Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Why? Daddy looks all fucked up. Why is he so fucked up, dude? What? Where are...
Good boy.
What are you doing? Don't you have any friends?
Well done. You eating your breakfast? Okay.
Zoe!
No.
Looking for trouble? You came to the right place. If you're looking for trouble,
Are you stuck? Heidi.
Don't tell her.
Give it 2 weeks and you'll have all the hugs you need.
You wanna go outside?
Where did you come from?
What is that? What is that? Go get it. What is that? What is it? Thank you.
Nope.
Wicket, no stick.
No, you're not
No?
bringing it in the house.
Bust a move. Come here. Bust a move. Bust a move. Bust a move. Ooh, okay. Good job.
I know, buddy. I know. You get it out. You get it out.
Since you took it from me? No. No. Oh, I'm so fired.
Good morning to the cutie pie. Looking very nice. Good morning to the cutie pie. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
So I had to get his face, you get his butt. Okay, ready?
Bram, that's not the leg you hurt, friend. Babe.
It's about damn time.
Sit. Sit.
You enjoying yourself? Yeah.
My Frenchie is broken, sits on her bum like a human.
Why do you sit like that?
Accent.
She's literally sleeping in her dog dish.
Saving their place to get second.
Oh, someone put it I saw that.
I'm trying to get my name more.
Maybe loud.
Lesbians. Oops.
I think I offended her.
Oh my gosh, honey. Too much. Girl. Just wait.
Stretch, stretch, stretch! Yeah! Dun.
Where the money? Tell him. Tell him. Where is it? Tell him. Where is it?
Why are your legs
makes like that.
Willow. Oh shit.
No, you lips. Oh my god.
Hola, mi amor.
Listen, hands and kick it. Yeah.
She's reportedly dating a Brit who works in real estate.
What are you doing? Are you high?
Oh, good boy, buddy.
He's good.
Yeah.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Who are you calling on your phone? Hello?
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba. Esas son.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Mira, Cambio, no te sentando. Deja el chisme. Deja el chisme, chismoso.
Louise. Whoa.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
Just a little bite, please. Here you go. Just Just a little bite. Chew it.
Go way out there.
You're so funny.
Who did that? Was that you? You better get your ass over there right now.
Can I see your ear?
You broke it in half. What'd you do?
Is she spicy? Is she spicy?
What is wrong with my dog eating his breakfast in the splooge position?
You're so curious about it.
Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
Come here. You can walk. Come here. Nady, come here. You're doing so good. Good job. Oh, you got it.
Oh my goodness.
Chica, I do too. Here we go, wiggle worms. Here we go, see what doing out the room.
엄마. 아빠. 블랑이. 블랑이.
블랑이, 손.
블랑이.
Give me this.
Thank you, Maddie. Come on. Come on.
Why are you crying, Fatty Patty? You want your PJs?
Buddy, it's okay.
A bunda, morde a bunda, morde a bunda.
Можно я как-нибудь почище вас что-нибудь? Понятно.